Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to view downloads page in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the window. Select Downloads from the drop-down menu. Downloads window will open. Now click the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window. Select Open Downloads page from the drop-down menu. All the files you have downloaded will be shown here. To view files by specific file types, use the options in the left sidebar. Click on Open Downloads folder to view these files on your computer. This is how you can view Downloads page in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.